Hold on to your hats, folks. We've got our first big snowstorm coming of this year. We're gonna get a lot of snow, 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and they say between 12 and 16 inches, maybe up to 2 feet of snow coming. So that means a lot of prep work here at 10 Mile, and yeah, and then hunker in. Other than just doing the morning chores, I'll have all my wood in, I'll have all my water drawn, I'll have everything ready for the chickens. I've just got to let them out if they want to come out, and put fresh water out, and that'll be the gist of everything that's got to be done, because I did a lot today. Still not feeling all that great, but we got it done. We got it done. A lot of rest and napping in between. So tonight I would like to discuss Country Living Encyclopedia of. The one on the left is the 40th anniversary edition. The one on the right is the 50th anniversary edition. This book is great for anybody that is already homesteading, already living off-grid, already living in the country, and are experienced. It is good for the novice. It's good for the wannabe. It's good for as just a resource to keep on the shelf. Even if you are an expert, Karen, at living off-grid and homesteading and living in the country, Karen, this book is either one. They're pretty much the same. I would encourage everybody that is interested in the country life, off-grid life, homesteading life, self-sustaining, to get one of these books. I just love mine. I've read mine from front cover to back cover numerous times. And the one on the right is my cousin Shay's book, which is the 50th edition. And I've been looking at that while I've been resting and recouping until I can get back at my chores and continue doing what I'm doing. But usually I end up falling asleep reading it. But I would encourage anybody and everybody, especially Karen, to get these books. There's a lot of information on it. Anywheres from how to find your plot of land, buy your plot of land, how to save money up for your homestead, how to grow vegetables, how to raise chickens, goats, and pigs, and mill your own flour, and pickling, and how to sharpen an axe, how to sharpen all your knives, prune trees, how to stock a fish pond, how to deliver a baby, and how to prepare for the dead. Yep, it even goes into that. So they're really nice books. Each book is 922 pages long. They're filled with sketches, very detailed information on a lot of things. So, and as it says, if this isn't everything that you need to live off-grid, then they didn't know what is. And technically, I really agree. But again, you can read a lot, but it's experience that's going to get you further. And there's nothing like experience to hone in your skills a little bit more. The wisdom that comes with all the experience. You learn what works best for you. Every situation is different, but this book is a very good book to learn, to educate, and then you go on your experience after that, and then you modify and hone in with what you need and where you need to go from there. I highly encourage this book. If there's any other book out there that is equal to this, I wish somebody would leave a comment below and let me know, because I would like to have that book. I consider myself experienced living here, but I am not experienced enough. I am still learning. I learn every day. This book is written by Carla Emery, and in my belief, she is the expert in all of this. Sadly, she died in 2005, but not before giving the world all of her wisdom and all of her knowledge, and for that I am personally grateful for. This right here is a list of everything she talks about in the books. She starts at the very basic knowledge and works her way up through. I can't encourage this book enough. And for those of you who watched my previous video this morning of my little rant about Karen, hello Karen. May you buy this book and learn from it and enjoy. Next is the ISBN number for those who are interested in maybe buying this book. I bought mine off Amazon for $35. The gentleman who turned me on to this book originally bought his for $80 back in the day. I hope for those who watched this video enjoyed it, maybe thinking about buying it. Thank you for watching. For those in Maine, be careful of the storm and drive safe. Stay in if you can. Thank you for watching.